In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a backdrop in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Enter 100 for the width and 50 for the height. Then create the new design. This will open a blank canvas. Next, click on the empty canvas to select the page background. At the top of the editor, click the color option to change the background color. Instead of using a solid color, choose a gradient style to create a more modern and visually appealing backdrop. Canva provides different gradient color combinations that you can apply instantly. After selecting a gradient, adjust the colors if needed so the background matches your design style. You can also add patterns or textures to enhance the backdrop. Go to the Elements section and search for Pattern Background. Choose a pattern you like and place it on the canvas. Resize the pattern so it covers the background or position it where you want. If the pattern looks too strong, lower the transparency so it blends softly with the gradient background. You can also add shapes, text, or icons to make the backdrop more unique depending on how you plan to use it. When your backdrop design is ready, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG or JPG to save the backdrop with good quality. That is how you create a backdrop in Canva.